Today we're going to be making Cajun chicken salad with spiced yogurt dressing. It's a very tasty recipe and it's really easy to make. Okay, so we'll take you through the ingredients here. Starting off, we've got some asparagus for the salad. We've got some cherry tomatoes which have been grilled lightly with a wee bit of salt and a wee bit of pepper. We've got some red onion and for the salad also we have some cos lettuce leaves or baby gem lettuce. For the yogurt dressing we have some Greek yogurt, natural yogurt with a wee bit of saffron in it. We have a wee rub mix here of coriander seeds, cumin, fennel, tarragon and mint. Okay, so we're going to toast that off lightly and then we're going to add it to the yogurt. Just to finish off the yogurt dressing, we've got some nice fresh mint, picked from the back garden obviously, and some lemon juice, okay, just to give it a wee kick. So we'll start off by making the yogurt dressing, okay, so we'll crank the heat up here. It's important to toast off our wee rub mix first. By that, it's releasing the flavour and then we're going to add it straight to the yogurt here. Okay, so you'll be able to smell that coming through soon. So in the meantime, I'm just going to pick some mint leaves. I'm just going to chop these up and add it to the yogurt mix. So you just get your mint leaves, roll them into a wee cigar, okay, and then very finely slice it. That's called a chiffonade in the chefing world. Okay, it doesn't have to be a fine chop. Just going to add that in there. Okay, and if your lemon's very hard, give it a good roll out. That'll help juice it a wee bit better. Okay, nice wee bit more. So we squeeze the lemon juice to taste. Careful not getting any pips. Give it a wee stir around. Okay, so it's natural Greek yogurt. Don't be buying any vanilla or strawberry. Make sure it's natural, okay? So there's no other flavour of it. So while that's toasting, you want to come in and see the rub. While that's toasting, I'm just going to chop up the chicken breast. Okay, so I'm going to butterfly the chicken breast. That's the breast there, nice and whole. Just going to take your knife, slide through it at an angle. Okay. I'm just going to cut it into wee strips as well, so it cooks nice and quickly. Now you could grill your chicken breast for the healthier option, but I like the pan fry it because when you put the Cajun spice on it, it gives it a nice crispy texture on the outside as well. Okay, but we're frying in nice light olive oil, so nice and healthy. Okay, so that's our Cajun spice mix. Okay, you can pick that up in your local supermarket. Just mix that through there. Get your hands dirty. It's nice and evenly coated now. Just wash my hands. Okay, so that smells lovely. We're just going to add that now to the yogurt mix. Turn it a nice yellowy colour, okay. There we are. And just let that sit. Give it a wee taste. Spot on. Right, so in the same pan, just wipe it dry with a wee bit of kitchen roll. Nice hot pan, okay. We drop the olive oil. Let that heat up first. Give it a wee touch of salt and a wee touch of pepper. Remember, when you put salt in your food, it brings out the flavour of things. Pepper changes the flavour of things. Okay, so people that don't put salt on their food, to me, it's just very bland. Okay, so that's nice and hot now. So that's frying off. Just going to slice the onion and stuff with salad. Should be enough there. Into the bowl. Just going to cut the asparagus in half at an angle. Presentation. Be good for a wee dinner party. This dish is ideal for somebody for lunchtime. You know, it's not a main course or a dinner time dish, but it's a nice wee lunch dish. Okay, so there's our asparagus, a red onion, in with the cos lettuce, okay, and with the cherry tomatoes. As you can see, a nice crispy coating already on the chicken. That's what you want. By all means, you can coat your chicken, put it in the oven, or you can grill it, but I like to fry it, okay? I'm just going to dress our salad here. Just a wee bit of this. A wee spoonful. Toss that around. It's just a wee dressing for the salad. Another minute or so and that should be ready. So the idea behind it, get everything ready first, get all your ingredients ready, get your onions chopped, your asparagus chopped. I like to cook my tomatoes first. It takes away the bitterness of them, okay? Nearly there. Still feels a wee bit rubbery, okay? When it's firm to the touch, that's when it's ready. And if you're unsure, grab the fattest part of the chicken, break it open. If it's still pink, get it back in the pan. Okay, so I'm going to get ready to plate up here. And that's keeping away a nice wee bit of salad. You don't have to use asparagus or tomatoes, you can put peppers, green beans, broccoli, whichever you prefer. But I'm a lover of asparagus, so don't waste any. A bit messy, isn't it? Turn the heat off, not do that, right? The chicken good to go. It's very, very hot. There we go. This is something you can do in advance and let it cool down and then take it to work with you. Okay. And then just to finish off, nice wee bit of the yogurt dressing over the top of the Cajun chicken, okay? Bit around the edge. And there you have it, folks, okay? So Cajun chicken salad with a nice crunchy salad.